Hi, today let us look how you can do a simulation using QEMU. But before that, let us also try to understand what all packages have to be installed to set up a QEMU emulation. That is something what we will see. But to do that, we have to first of all install the QEMU package itself. So to do that, the command what you have to run is currently I am using or running on Ubuntu 24.04. And whatever command I am mentioning now is applicable to Ubuntu 24.04. And you would find a similar alternative for other distribution also. So in case if you want to install the package for QEMU, which is required, okay. So if it's not there, you have to run this command. The main package what you have to install is, just let me run it. QEMU system. So this is the package what you have to install. Okay, so this is you have to run it. In case if your package system is not updated, right? You have it's better always to run by using this command. So this will make sure that the package management has an updated details, and then we can run QEMU system. This is very much required. So if you install, it will try to install all the packages. And then once it is fully done, if the package installation is fully done, to confirm if it is already installed or not, you can run. So you'll see a lot of packages for different architecture. Currently, I'll be showing demo with respect to QEMU system x86_64, where I'll be trying to simulate x86_64 machine. So this QEMU is basically meant for a machine simulation. So now this is the machine what I'll be simulating. And to run this x86_64 machine, we need a Linux kernel and a rootfs image. This is the main thing what any system would need. At least since I'm running, you can run any OS as such, but currently I'm running Linux and showcasing how exactly it could be run. Since I want to run a Linux, all of us know that we need a rootfs, and then we also need a x86 Linux image. So currently I already have a pre-built image, and that is available on the GitHub at this particular location. Okay, so that is available in this location. You can take it actually. So you can download it and you can reuse it. In the coming session, I will also showcase how exactly you can build the Linux kernel image and how exactly you can build a rootfs image for this particular scenario. I will explain in detail. For time being, you can take this and you can use it for your purpose. Now, first I want to take this GitHub, so I will take it. So I need this GitHub image. So what I will do is I'll do a git clone of this because I need all the artifacts. So I'll download all the artifacts. And you can see here all the necessary artifacts from the GitHub has been downloaded. I will get into this folder. So the rootfs and the image is available. And how to run this, the command to run this is available in readme.md. You can just refer to this. So what I will do is I will just take it. The main goal is you have to run this specific command. That is one of the main requirement. So in this, if you see here, the first command tells that I want the x86_system available, and which kernel to use. I'm passing by a parameter called -kernel, and I'm telling the output should come on the current console itself. So I'm telling that the serial output should come on the stdio, means on the current console itself. And then this is the command line parameter for my kernel, where I'm telling that the console should come on TTY-S0. I'm telling that I don't need ASLR because kernel ASLR is also possible. I'm disabling it. And then I'm telling that since I have a RAM disk, currently whatever rootfs is of type RAM disk. So since it has to be loaded to the RAM, I'm telling that it should go into the RAM. And then I'm giving a reference to the init program. That is nothing but Linux RC is my entry point. And then after that, I'm telling that I don't need ACPI. And then after that, I'm giving a reference to my rootfs, which is a RAM disk. And then I'm specifying for the system, the memory should be 512 bytes. This is something what I'm specifying in this case. So once I run the specific command, you can see that the QEMU system runs, sets up, and it starts running. Okay, so now you can see here in the background on the console itself, the shell has come up. You can see that it has run, and if you can check out proc CPU info, you can check out it has come up with a single CPU core actually. Okay, so that is something what you can see in this specific scenario. So you can check out and the system is running and you can put whatever you want as a part of this rootfs and you can run. Currently, I've just shown a demo with a pre-built rootfs. So later I will also explain how we can build your own rootfs and set up your machine. Okay, so this is the steps to do this scenario. Okay. Yeah, so you can exit. If you press Ctrl C, it will exit and it will come out.